Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear students, this video is for the students of class 12 science stream English medium. This video is going to be the paper style for the students of class 12 for the academic year 2021-22. Dear students, in this video we're going to discuss the blueprint and paper style for the students of class 12 science English medium. This circular we have received from Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar. So you all know that it's going to be 3-hour exam and total weightage for the exam, that is 100 marks. So let's see here in this blueprint you have questions divided as per your objectives, that is knowledge based question. In part A 13 and part B 8 makes 21, then understanding based question 12, 10 and makes 22, then application based question 12 questions in part A, that is an MCQ, and part B 12, that's 24. Higher order thinking skill questions in synthesis and analysis 7 marks, and in part B you have 10, that makes 17, and in interpretation and evaluation you have 6 marks MCQs and 10 marks subjective in part B, and that makes 16, and 50 plus 50, that makes 100. You know very well that 12th science paper is divided into part A and part B, that is first part A, that is 50 MCQs, and then part B, that is 50 marks subjective. So here we go, the weightage as per the questions. So now weightage as per the questions. In part B you gonna receive multiple choice question, that is number of question 50, total marks 50, as I told you just now. Then in part B you have types of question, that is first very short answer type with general option. There will be total 8 and you gonna attempt 8 and those weightage 8 marks. Okay, those questions gonna carry 8 marks. Then you have a short answer type 15 question without general options, that is 9 question, and these 9 question gonna carry 18 marks. Then you have long answer type 3 questions, you gonna attempt 3 and weightage for 3 questions 12 marks. Then easy type question, total question 2, you gonna attempt 2 and weightage 12 marks. So this gonna make 50 marks for part B, dear students. So if we see the part B in the as per the skills, so first you have reading skill, that is going to carry 2 marks, writing skill 20 marks, then grammar part 10 marks, this is only for part B, and then literature and comprehension 18 marks. So that's gonna make 50 marks for part B. Reading skill, writing skill, grammar and literature comprehension. So that's what you gonna receive in part B. So dear students, let's go with paper style now. So dear students, this is the paper style for the students of class 12 English. Subject code is 006, first language, and for the science stream, remember, for the academic year 2021 and 22 for the board examination. So here we gonna go, that is first part A 50 MCQs. From the prose Flamingo you gonna receive 20 marks MCQs. Then from the poetry of Flamingo you gonna receive 12 marks MCQs. Then from supplementary vistas 5 MCQs, and from language and grammar 30. So this gonna make your 50 marks. 20 plus 12 plus 5 plus 13 gonna make 50. That's your part A. Let's go with part B. In part B section A, prose textual question, that is 3 out of 5 you gonna get the choice, and those 3 questions gonna carry 6 marks. Then you have section B. In section B, number of questions 6 to 17, and that is of poetry, Flamingo and supplementary vistas. So poetry comprehension of stanza. So you, from the poetry section you will have a stanza, and below that stanza you will have short questions, and that is going to carry 2 marks. Then you have a poetry textual question answers, and 4 questions will carry 8 marks. In that also you are going to get the choice. Okay, so you can attempt any 4 out of 6. Then supplementary questions, that is 2 out of 3. So they gonna carry 4 marks. 2 questions gonna carry 4 marks. So this is your section B. Section B is going to carry total 8 plus 2 10 and 14 marks. 14 marks, and this section A is 6 marks. So let's go with section C, that is rectification of error, 3 marks, idioms and phrases 3 marks, and direct and direct speech paragraph 4 marks. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 marks. So your section C gonna carry 10 marks. Then you have section D, that is data interpretation, which is also known as chart interpretation, or if you don't want to attempt that, you're gonna get the choice, that is paraphrasing of poetry, and this question gonna carry 4 marks. You have a job application, which is a compulsory question, that is 6 marks. So this section is also going to carry 10 marks. And then you have the last section, that is section E. In that, email writing, whether it will be a formal or informal compulsory question, 4 marks, and essay or speech writing 6 marks. So this question is going to carry 10 marks, and this is how you're going to make 50 marks of part B, and total you have 100 marks. So that is your part A, part B for the students of class 12 science English medium. And this was the format paper style for the academic year 2021-22. Dear students, if you have really liked watching this video, then do hit the like button, subscribe my channel if you are new, and share with your friends. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.